Let's talk about the. I don't want to say I don't want to say that, but I do.
Don't want to say. Don't say. Okay, you had your rant already at the start, so don't say anything more. Don't say anything more.
All right. Well, either way, if you've been on X, if you've been on Uber, I'm sorry, if you've been on Facebook, if you've been watching the news, you may have seen a cow talking. I mean, oh shit, I said it. Damn it.
God
All right.
damn it, Chris. Shit, man.
So in Detroit, a large rapper was declined a ride from Lyft because of being too big. And there's the video floating around. I don't know if you watched the video or not, but I did.
I did. Yeah.
And then I watched the news video, and then I actually watched the full video that she recorded. Yes, basically, a driver said, "You're too fat for my car. Don't come in because my tires aren't rated for that."
That I don't know about that. That I don't know about.
It's impossible. Think about it. How many times do you have both your kids and your wife and yourself in the car, plus all the soccer equipment, or suitcases or whatever? Your cars are capable of handling 3 or 4 times the load that they are. So yes, your tires are not going to have a problem. Your suspension is not going to have a problem. This driver is a dick. I'm sorry to say he is. But where I will give him that he probably should have gone with is saying, look, if if you can get in my car, great. If you can buckle your seatbelt, that's a different thing, because safety is
there
key.
You go. There you go. There you go.
If you can't buckle the seatbelt in my car, I'm sorry, I can't take you. It's that simple.
Not a chance. That seatbelt going around. It's like, no.
Yeah, I carry a seatbelt extender. I'm sorry, I don't. I'm not spending the money for that. I'm not taking the liability. If you're large and in charge, you have to carry the seatbelt extender.
Well, she got playtime. She got a lot of playtime, airtime, whatever you want to call it.
So she's suing Lyft right now, and probably going to win, apparently, because refusing a rider because of fat is actually against Michigan law, because of some kooky upside down world that we live in today that says you could be a toaster if you so choose, or you're a protected class if you're a fat. I'm sorry, but no, you made the choice to eat too much, and you made the choice to continue eating too much. And I'm sorry, look, lady, trust me, bro, you're 500 pounds. And I'm not saying that to make fun of you. I'm not saying that to say anything bad about you. I'm saying that out of care for you. Please take care of yourself. Please do what you need to do to take care of yourself. I can only imagine you probably have some sort of, I would not be surprised if you have diabetes. I wouldn't be surprised if you have autoimmune diseases. I wouldn't be surprised if you have other things that you could easily take care of if you started taking care of yourself. If you got the help you need, if you need help, if you started eating properly, going to the gym, just walking, just doing things like that. It's got to be tough. It's got to be tough. But seriously, from the bottom of my heart, please start taking care of yourself.
Yeah. No,
anybody else is like that.
Listen to what's her name, by the way? What is it?
I don't know. I'm just going to go with Detroit rapper, because we all know what this is. This is a grift to try to make money.
She's suing Lyft.
Yeah, this is a grift to try to make money from Lyft, and a grift to try to boost your career.
Okay,
that's all. So I'm not even going to say what her name is. It's Detroit rapper. That's what I'm going to go with.
Okay, what do you guys think in the chat? Did the driver get deactivated or no? I go 1 for yes, 2 for no.
Driver,
I don't know. My guess is 1. Well, I actually would like to talk to that driver. I mean, if you're watching, sir, madam, whoever you are, actually, sir, I heard his voice. Buddy, if you're watching, or if you get a hold of, or somebody is watching, and I'll put you on behind the wheel. We'll tell your story. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he got deactivated if she complained, which I'm pretty sure she did. Yeah, I agree with you 100%. That tires is bullshit. I mean, it's a goddamn car.
Hold on. Here's the real question. Did she opt out of the forced arbitration agreement?
Who, the
rapper?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Look, and there was a comment by Roxy, and Roxy on point. She goes, she's a rapper, she's got money. Well, not every rapper's got money. But she's a rapper. She's got money. She should have ordered a Premier or Yukon or some fucking black car or some shit. Look, all I know is I hope he didn't get deactivated. Although this is definitely community guidelines will come into play on this. I'm pretty sure. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Look, here's the
And
problem.
yeah,
The biggest problem is that, again, she is almost 500 pounds and needs to take care of herself.
is she?
Much better. 409. Yeah, it says 498 or 489. I'm sorry, on the post that somebody
Oh
sent
wow!
Jerry.
I didn't. I thought you were just making
Oh,
up. Really? No, that's ridiculous.
oh yeah.
Fucking Christ.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
I mean, I can only imagine what you got to carry around that way. Like I did Tuesday's usually my leg day at the gym, Tuesday and Saturday, and I do squats. I do 2 plates on each side. So that's
There,
360 pounds.
deactivated. Okay.
Yeah. So, I mean, I do 2 plates on each side on the bar, and I can only imagine walking around like that all day long. It would be insane, like the amount. And so, like, come on. Oh,
Yeah. No. This was not staged. There is a video of her outside the car recording the guy with the driver's face blurred. I mean, no, this was not a setup. This was definitely not a setup. No. Although she did get TV time for this, unfortunately, and Lyft is getting sued, and we'll see what happens. We'll follow up on this. Maybe she will want to come on the behind the wheel.
Maybe
that would be an interview.
Either way, yeah. I mean, maybe either way, but honestly, what's her name? Dank, please take care of yourself. I mean, honestly, if you need help, if you need help, contact me. I will help you. Actually, there's a couple of large people that I see at the gym all the time, and they're losing weight. They were probably right up there, about 400 pounds, both of them, and they're losing weight. One's down almost 100 pounds. So it can definitely happen. And if you do that, you're going to feel so much better. Trust me. But when it comes down to it, look, the driver should not have handled it that way in any way, shape, or form. Completely irrelevant and not even true. When it comes to your tires will not handle it.
No,
because your tires will handle like 3 or 4 times the amount that the car is weighing. Your car weighs probably 1,500 to 2,000 pounds or so. Plus you're in the car. Plus, how many times do you have 3 or 4 people in the car that probably equal about the same amount of weight as her? The only difference is it's the safety that comes down to it. Can she buckle her seatbelt? Because if she can't, you get into an accident. Whoa, watch out, because that's going to be a problem.
Well, the other thing is, will she fit? Like, assume it was a Prius. Will she fit in the backseat of a Prius? I don't know. I'm not sure.
I don't know. She said that she could fit in smaller cars. So, I mean, I don't know. But that's the whole thing. I would say, look, the reality is, I'm sorry, you can come in the car if you can fit. If you can't fit, or if you can't get the seatbelt to buckle, then I'm sorry,
that.
I can't take you.
See, this driver is an idiot because he could have thought about that, and I would have probably done that. But you come in the car. If you get in, you get in. If you can buckle up, because we need to buckle up. Otherwise, not going to happen. That would have saved him from getting deactivated without a question.
Oh yeah, 100%. And then
but
it probably
my tires are going to blow up because you get in the car. You're a fucking idiot, bro.
Yeah, and then on top of that, it probably they would have been able to use that from Lyft for a lawsuit by saying, look, it's a safety issue. We can't you can't expect somebody to go in without the safety. You need the safety. Like that's the whole point of it. So
brutal. The chat is brutal, bro. That's brutal.
Look, the reality is, yes, she's large. She needs to take care of herself, and I think a lot of this is kind of a grift more than anything, because I think I heard that she said that this has happened before. So, I mean, the reality is, like, I think you're probably trying to do a little grift here. But either way, take care of yourself. You won't have this problem. I always say, I mean, let me guess. The next thing she's going to sue is Wendy's, because when she goes to sit at the sit down at the bench, that she can't fit in the chair because the table's too close.
Okay.
Stop. I mean, come on.
Stop.
Well, no, that's what I said. I said, no, I've always said that. I said, you're too fat if you sit in a restaurant and your stomach is hitting the table on a bench. I'm sorry, it's true. At that point, that means you're too big and you need to take care of yourself. I don't care. I mean, if you're in chat doing this, if in chat you're the same exact way, you're saying, oh, you know what? They put those seats too damn close. I think they put them closer because they want to fit more asses in those seats. No, it's you got a little big because you're sitting in Uber a little too long. And you're working 12, 14 hours a day, and you're chugging down a hamburger or two and some French fries and a Diet Coke and something else. So look, let me tell you something. Go out, walk around a little bit, 30 minutes, eat healthier, do a lot of things that you could do. You'll feel a lot better. You'll look a lot better. And then you'll fit in that seat a lot nicer.
If I knew this was going to be show like this today, I would have started with my apple juice from the get-go. That's what would have been it. But let's move on.
Well, I mean, they have Uber Freight for a reason.
Oh, shit, man. Let's go. Let's go to the next
one. But yes, that's what's going on with that. If there's any updates, we'll let you know. But yeah, that's pretty much kind of the whole thing.
Yeah, I still offer stands for both of you, the rider and the driver. Get in touch with me. I'll interview you.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Hell, I'll help you with my volunteering my services to help you lose weight.
Okay,
I will.
Oh yeah, no, that's a good thing. It's good. That's a good Samaritan that you are. That's good.
Well, no, I mean, honestly, I don't want to see people like that. I couldn't imagine, honestly, when I see somebody walking like that and they're fucking like, I mean, even listening to her in the video, you could hear her out of breath. She's carrying 500 pounds on her skeletal mass. It's not supposed to happen. Your body is not actually your joints are going to give out. You're going to have so much pain. I couldn't imagine the pain that she's in every single day.
I'm in pain right now. So can we go to the next topic?
Yeah. With that being said, everybody get up, stand up, take a couple of steps around, and then come back and sit down.
Okay, cool.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.